Welcome, in front of me is a Denver SDQ, and today I will show you how to enter the recovery mode on the device. And to get started, let's hold the power key, select the power off, and wait for the device to shut off. When that happens, you want to hold the power key, volume up, both of those keys at the same time. And from here you should be located in the boot mode. So using volume up only, you want to select the first option, which is recovery mode, and then press volume down to confirm it. And on the next page you should see Android with no command, as it is visible right now. And to get past this, hold the power key, press volume up once, and you're now in recovery mode. In this mode you can use both volume keys to navigate, as you can see. And you can reboot the device from here, reboot to Bootloader, apply updates, wipe data or cache partition, mount systems, view some logs, run tests, and simply power off the device. Now whatever you select, which for me as an example I'm going to select reboot system now, which will go back to Android. So whatever is selected, you then want to confirm it with power key. And now the device is going back to the Android. And there we go. As you can see, we're now back in Android system. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.